Today is a good day because I am going to do my first YouTube video. So hello and welcome everybody to my first unboxing. Well, I thought about what to start with, and as you can see, that is what I came up with, the Majorette Black Edition gift pack. This 5-pack has been sitting in my basement for a while, but now I thought the time has come to open it up and take those cars out of the box. But before we do that, let's take a look at the packaging. As you can see, it says Majorette in the front, Black Edition gift pack. We have the Mercedes-AMG GT R here on the right side. Down on the bottom, some warning stuff. And on the back, you can see the 5 cars that are inside. Those have opening parts, I think, except one, except the Audi. And here you can see on which car you can open which part. Those Majorette cars, as far as I know, I think they are available in the US, but I think it's not so easy to get your hands on them. But here in Europe, I think they are quite common. So I'm living in Germany, and I bought this 5-pack on sale for about, I'm not really sure, 12 or 13 euros. Normally, those Majorette 5-packs are about, I think, 15 to 20 euros here in Germany. Well, Majorette has a range of cars. They have basic cars like this one, this Suzuki Jimny, and then they have more premium stuff. And I think these cars are, I would say, kind of mid-range. But let's go ahead and take the cars out of the box. So let's rip this up. Oops. So now we can take a closer look. We have the Audi R8 Coupé, the Nissan GT R Nismo, the Brabus B63s, the Mercedes-AMG GT R, and the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. I bought this package mostly because of this Brabus, which, as you might know, is a special version of the Mercedes G-Wagon. I think it looks really nice. And then also this Nissan GT R Nismo. But now let's take those cars off. So here we have the Audi R8. Focus, yes. As you might know, this is the second generation of the Audi R8. The first generation looked like this. This car here on the right side is a Focus. It's not so easy because of the black cars. This right version is a Matchbox car, and it shows the first generation R8. I can do a little comparison of the size of those cars. Yeah, the Matchbox, it's not really small. So As you can see, we have nice details on the front, the grille, the Audi rings. Those headlights are, yeah, I don't know how you call it, plastic inserts. These are not painted headlights. Here on the side, it says V10, so you know what engine is right underneath. And on the back, focus, we have painted taillights and the Audi rings. Well, I think it's not the best one of this package. As you can see, the tires don't really sit properly. I don't know how you can see it because of the black color, but yeah. Normally, or most of those, I don't know if all Majorette cars have suspension, but obviously this one has a suspension, but it doesn't really look good. I mean, this car, that's not the stance that it should have. The same problem I got with this Lamborghini Sian. It's also from Majorette and has some opening parts. And as you can see, let's take, you know, it looks like an off-roader. It doesn't look like a sports car. It looks like an off-roader because of the, you see the space between the floor and the bottom of the car. Way too much. I mean, I think the casting is nice and the opening parts, but yeah, that's not how a sports car should look like. And I think the same thing happened here. Yeah, well, nice details, nice matte black color, but I think yeah, that's not how it should be. So let's put this aside and let's go on with the Nissan Nismo GT R. Well, before I said I think these cars are kind of mid-range. That's because I think they are a little bit more premium than those basic cars. Like I said, like this Jimny you can see here, because of the details and the paint job, and they have a suspension. But so this one has opening parts. What they don't have are rubber tires. I think these are plastic tires, and let's say top range cars from Majorette, they have rubber tires. So these cars are right in between, and I think this one looks much better than the Audi. We have the Nismo badge on the front. It says GT R on the grille. We have nice headlights, opening doors, and you can see the race cage or roll cage here inside. I don't know if you how good it. Yeah, it also has a nice interior. As you can see, this is a GT3 race car, so there is no passenger seat. Big wing on the back, and we have painted taillights, the Nissan badge, Nismo, and a GT3 badge. So I think this one really looks nice. So. Focus. So let's go ahead with the Brabus. Cut this off the base. So I think on this one you can open the hood a little bit. There's not much to see. To be honest, I'm not a too big fan of opening parts on these cars because normally if you have opening doors, for example, in this case it looks quite okay, but sometimes those cars have really big gaps. And yeah, you can open the hood, but I would more appreciate a car that does look really good and has no opening parts. But yeah, that's the way Majorette does it. And I think this is quite a nice version of the G-Wagon. It's really a version with very much power from Brabus. For comparison, I got this Matchbox version. And as you can see, it's a lot smaller. Let's look at the base, and it says 161 scale, so it's not 164, it's 161, so it's a little bit bigger. Focus. So on the spare tire you can see the Brabus badge. Got those nice red lines on the rims, and also nice plastic headlights. Well, I think it's quite a nice car. So let's go on and cut the Mercedes from the base. Oh, let's take this off. Stuck. So well, this Mercedes also has opening doors. Nice headlights, the Mercedes badge on the front, and a really nice AMG grille. A little wing on the back, and the Mercedes logo, painted taillights. And it comes, like the other cars, with a suspension. So let's go ahead and cut the last one open. So let's get this organized. Oh, this way. So here we have the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Comes with the blue tinted windows, which I think makes the car look more aggressive. So it has also blue headlights. And I think, no. Oh. Ah, yeah, you can open the doors. So, well, I think these cars really do look very nice. Focus. I'm not a fan of all of those Majorette 5-packs. Sometimes, yeah, I think they look more like kids' toys than collector's items, but this 5-pack I think is really, really nice. So maybe you can write in the comments down below, oops, the camera, what you think about this 5-pack, and if you would buy it, if you are able to buy it, or if that's not your kind of stuff. I think for the price, especially, as I said, I bought it on sale for 12 euros, so it's about €2.50 per car, €2.50, and I think that's a really fair price. So that's it. That was my first unboxing video. So I hope you liked it, and hit the subscribe button, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.